Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Nokia 6.3 and 6.4 appears in a new render with a quad camera and a notched display. We have here a lots of news about the upcoming Nokia smartphone, but now the Nokia 6.3 we have been hearing about since last May was expected to be unveiled by the end of the 2020, but that did not happen, we also know. And while we wait for an official word from HMD about it, renders of what will be called the Nokia 6.3 and Nokia 6.4 have been shared by OnLeaks, who says that the smartphone will go official before April. The Nokia 6.3 and a 6.4 looks similar to the Nokia 6.2 and it packs a water drop notch display that a measures 6.45 diagonal. The smartphone shares that this circular camera island on the backside with a 6.2, but it now houses 4 camera and an LED flash have been moved outside to the camera module. The source did not detail the camera but previously claimed that the Nokia 6.3 will feature a 16 megapixel selfie shooter and the camera system on the backside will comprise a 24 megapixel primary shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter, 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel deep sensor camera unit. The fingerprint scanner that was present on the back below the camera on the Nokia 6.2 is now embedded in the power button located on the right side of the smartphone. The frame below the volume key on the left side of the 6.3 Nokia 6.4 is the SIM card slot and dedicated Google Assistant button, and the bottom is the USB Type-C port flanked by the microphone and a speaker. The 3.5mm headphone jack is located at the top of the two smartphones, the Nokia 6.3 and 6.4. The Nokia 6.3 is rumored to come with a Snapdragon 670 or Snapdragon 730 SoC, and the base model with a 3 gigs of RAM and 64 GB storage is said to have an average global retail price of the smartphone is €250. Although this information our 6-month-old and plans may be having changed by the Nokia. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Nokia smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the Nokia phone? And also like the video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.